Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla, and today you are going to watching ChatGPT will replace software engineers job or profession. We'll discuss about with the help of ChatGPT. So if you are watching first time this video lecture, please do subscribe and support us. Just I'm trying to asking ChatGPT this question, how it is beauty. So ChatGPT, as you know that it's an open AI tool and conversation, how the conversation you want to, like a question which answer is needed to you, you will get in a solution in text form from ChatGPT. So try ChatGPT with the help of any of a free account using Google or Microsoft account. And just I'm trying to asking, will ChatGPT will replace ChatGPT software engineers? Just I'm trying to asking ChatGPT what suggestion it will give us. See, as an AI tool of ChatGPT is designed to provide conversational responses to the users based on training data and algorithm. Software engineers are professionals who design, develop, test and maintain software applications and the platforms they skilled programming languages of methodologies, problem solving, work collaborative, especially in the work collaborative in the human requirements as client requires. So other professionalisms such as project managers, designers, quality assurance testers build software to meet the specified and a particular specific client needs. So which AI model like ChatGPT can assist the software engineers in the various levels such as generating code, identifying bugs, and cannot replace creativity, critical thinking, problem solving skills that software engineer process in the application development way. So software engineers require deep understanding of computer science and principles as well as comprehensive understanding of software development lifecycle. Additionally, software engineers must closely work with the end users. According to the requirement of the end user, they may change or modify the requirements in the project or customer requirement meets, which requirements may be interpersonal or communication skills may be developed by end user and client with the software professionals. ChatGPT, other AI language models can provide valuable assistance to the software engineers, but they cannot replace the skills and expertise of human software engineers. So awesomely, as you learn it, ChatGPT will not replace software engineers and skills will not be. So assume that if you feel really this video lecture is helping you with any of information, please do subscribe and support us. Thank you.